Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the March Lookfantastic box. I got this a couple weeks ago, but I have not been able to make a video yet. So let's just get into it. Oh, that's a fun looking box. They always have really pretty boxes. There's two of them still sitting behind me here on the shelf.
Where? Oh yeah, geez.
So here is the box for the month of March. Very pretty, isn't it?
What's the theme?
I'm not sure.
Interesting graphic.
It's an interesting graphic. Oh, it was International Women's Day.
Oh, International Women's Day. Day or month, or is it?
So this is, it's just a day. Oh. We just get a day.
Okay.
The unconstricted edition? Maybe that's the theme? Yep, unconstricted. So this is from the UK and it's about $11, 11 pounds a month. And here is what the inside looks like. No, it's not. You know, the average person maybe would treat themselves to one of these boxes. I treat myself to like 27 of them.
Yeah, but you
per month.
We don't have any kids, so it's fine.
That's right. We have no kids, so I don't have to feel guilty. Yeah. So I'm not looking. This is what's in the box this month. And let's delve inside. Okay, item number 1 is a little squeezy tube. From the brand, no, it is bee venom from the brand Rodial.
Like a bee, like an insect? Like...
Bee venom cleansing balm. Balm to toner brightening formula with melittin peptide, jojoba oil, and vitamin C and E. I can't see this. Sorry. I know how to read, I just can't see it. And I'm getting to be that age where I'm like...
You didn't go to the school of kids that want to read good and do other stuff good to you?
Gently massage a small amount onto a dry face and neck. Rinse with lukewarm water.
That's an interesting name for a product.
Yeah, so it's a cleansing balm.
Why would you call it Venom then? Like...
It smells nice.
Yeah. It does actually smell nice.
Yeah, does it smell like pollen or honey? Maybe a little bit like...
Maybe pollen, I think you're right.
Yeah.
Well, no, bee venom is like in the stinger. I don't know why they would call it that.
I don't know either, but that's item number 1.
Just to make it edgy, probably.
I mean, it does stand out there, bee venom. Yeah. All right, item number 2 is from Rituals, the Ritual of Ayurveda, the ancient art of living wisely. I think that's the kind of massage you can get. It's a nurturing Ayurveda.
It's not my massage data banks.
So this is a nurturing shower oil in the scent Indian rose and sweet almond oil. That sounds lovely. Oh, that smells very relaxing.
This is a massage oil? Oh, yeah, it
shower
does,
oil. I don't know how to use a shower oil.
Nurturing shower oil. Weird. Maybe after you're out of the shower, you rub it on your skin.
So like lock in the
moisture?
moisture?
After you dry yourself and then put that on.
Perhaps.
I think that's
perhaps. I think you're probably right.
It does smell really nice though. I like that a lot.
It doesn't say how to use it.
I think exactly what I just said.
Probably.
But...
Oh. That's item number 2.
Yeah.
Okay, item number 3 is... There's like a pink powder on everything. See that?
Is that just not the
No,
bottle?
it's like a powder.
Let me see. It looks like it's like...
It's a powder, babe. There's something on this lid too.
Okay, that's odd. Is it perfume? Like a...
This is a Bumble and Bumble surf spray. Oh, a salt spray. This is probably for your hair.
A salt spray?
It literally doesn't tell you anything about the product, except that it's not for sale. I'm going to guess that this is a salt spray for your hair.
Why are you saying like it's liquid, like water with salt, like salty water? Or...
Yeah, like salty water gives you like beach waves, like gives your hair a nice texture.
Oh, okay.
Let's try a little bit. If it's for your hair,
We may have just made a huge mistake.
I mean, as long as it's not balding spray, I think I'll probably be okay.
It makes your hair kind of have a little bit more volume. Maybe?
Yeah, like, because I have such thick hair that, like, it, like, clings to my scalp up here, and then it, like, poofs out this way. Yeah. So anything I can do to get a little more zhuzh up here?
You have nice hair.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
You have a nice face.
Your face is
and nice hair, too. You have good hair. You don't have any right now, but you have good hair.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Okay, item number 4 is a Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care.
What's so intelligent?
It's a strengthening hair and scalp mask.
That's odd.
So you leave it on for 5 minutes after you shampoo.
So it's a conditioner.
And it's also covered in this red powder. It must be coming from these little crinkly things. They've broken down, maybe.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Maybe. So yeah, it's like a conditioner. Like a repairing.
Okay, well, does it smell?
It doesn't really smell.
I like it. I like my conditioner to have a pleasant scent.
Actually, it kind of has a you scent when I rub it on my like a you, like a manly scent.
Oh.
Like I don't know. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells like something you would wear as a cologne.
Yeah, it kind of does.
Like.
So is this for men?
Oh, I think it's probably unisex.
Okay. That'll be mine.
Okay, you can have that. Yeah. So that's item number 4. Item number 5 is a little wee little too. Oh, Elizabeth Arden.
Is that good?
Oh, yes. A Superstart Skin Renewal Booster. Oh, that's exciting. To use smooth onto clean face day and night before applying serum or moisturizer. Oh, I'm not even going to sample that because that is like liquid gold probably right there. It's already opened.
It's a moist. Oh, no, it is.
Well, it doesn't have a little safety seal on it.
Oh.
That's way over there now.
Now you have to use it all.
Okay, so we'll find the lid for that. And so go to our next product. Oh, right there, honey. He's handy to have. Okay. Oh, there's your butt. Your butt is showing.
Sorry. Feels so good.
So you're welcome for that extra treat. Okay, item number 6 is, well, this is weird, from Hair Burst, a chewable hair vitamin. 15-day supply. What is a hair vitamin? Start your hair journey with
chewable. It does say chewable.
Chewable, yeah.
So what do you
start your hair journey with
put it in
hair
your hand and then rub it in your hair?
Oh, I think you eat it. I don't know how that works. Start your hair journey with Hair Burst today and fall in love with your hair. This 15-day supply is a great starter pack for anyone who wants to begin a new healthy hair routine. These smaller size packs are also great for those who travel. Strawberry and black currant flavored vitamins and minerals.
So they must all be like
individually packed? Oh, yeah. Sorry. I'm just very curious as to what this is. Okay, so they look like DS.
Oh my god, those are big.
Like, kind of want to open it and see how squishy it is.
Did you say 15 days?
Yeah, I'm open. I'm gonna taste one. I'm doing it.
So there's another blister pack in there?
There's 3. Well, 2 more in here.
Okay.
So that is what it looks like. It's
is it
squishy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to
like
try? You half?
I don't want to eat one.
You sure?
Yeah, you can eat it. Does it taste like?
It's good.
Whatever's in it's supposed to be really good for your hair then?
I guess. It says like a wine gum consistency.
So your eyebrows will start looking more lavish and
I don't need more eyebrows.
Maybe you'll have to shave twice as much now. Wouldn't that be unfortunate?
I think it's for your head hair, not your body hair. I hope it's not for your body hair. Oh my god, I'm gonna be walking around like a Sasquatch.
You turn into cousin.
A Sam Squamch.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a very interesting product that we just got. Didn't taste too bad. Okay, item number 7, and it looks like it is our last item, and it also looks like
box is damaged.
Somebody got a little angry with it.
It came from the UK, I guess.
Did it come from...
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so here's that product. So this is from Madeira Organic Skincare Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream, all skin types. Cellular Biocomplex Physio moisturizers. Huh.
That's just for like the area around your eyes.
That's really right here. Right.
But if you wanted to intensively treat something else, then you could put that on it. Like if you had like dry hands.
No,
you
you wouldn't
wanna
want
go
no.
out. Oh, why is that?
Because this is really expensive. You want to use hand cream, you go buy a hand cream for your hands. This
So what's the difference between like an eye cream and a hand cream then? What's the big deal?
I don't know actually. Well, there'll be not a lot of perfumes in this for sure.
Oh yeah, fair enough.
So this age-defying eye cream targets the signs of fatigue, crow's feet, and fine lines, leaving your skin smoother and more radiant. Apply to clean skin every morning and evening. I love a good eye cream because they're very expensive. So there's the tube and there's the applicator, and a little bit came out, so we just put a little bit on the hair.
It's quite wet compared to like a hand cream.
Yeah, serum-y.
You put it on so daintily.
You're supposed to, because this skin is very sensitive, like very thin.
It is, it's thin, yeah.
You want to apply it with your ring finger because it has the latest touch.
Is that right?
Yep.
Oh.
I mean, I'm wearing makeup under my eyes, so I probably shouldn't have done that. But
you showed them how, like, if anybody didn't know, you showed them how to properly apply it, though.
Oh yeah, so proper. Like, I don't have a lot of problems with fine lines. I have a problem with like dark circles and bags.
Yeah, I wonder.
But you know, it's not bad to take preventative measures either.
I think the
I definitely have the signs of
skin around your eyes looks quite like supple. So.
If I do this, you can really notice the dark circles. But if I do this, not so bad. Like, that's crazy. Look at that. Can you see that?
Yes. It's just the way the shadows hit you.
I'm gonna do this all day. So that was item number 7. So 7 items in this box. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, and they're all. It's not. It's all different kinds of stuff.
Yeah. No makeup items, but that's okay because I do like the lotions and the potions as well.
I think that body oil is nice. It's probably the nicest thing you got. I like that.
Yeah, I have another Rituals body wash. Maybe I haven't tried it yet, so maybe you could try both of them and give a review.
Yes. To look up those things and see exactly if they help hair at all.
We're just talking about this hair.
No, the chewable vitamin.
Oh, the chewable. We're just talking about this. Jason's just talking about this. He's very intrigued by this. So we're gonna pick our favorites now, I think. So first, I'm going to pick the eye cream, and then the Elizabeth Arden, and then this Rituals body oil, shower oil. And then this surf spray by Bumble. And then the bee venom. And then these hair vitamins just because...
That's 2 things that kind of have bee...
It's very exciting. Very weird. Very new. Very novel. And then this hair mask.
It's pretty much a conditioner.
It is pretty much a conditioner. They just add masks because it's fancy.
Yeah, it makes it more...
You usually leave masks on for longer than conditioner. So this is just 5 minutes. Yeah. So those are my favorites. Now let's get some prices. Okay, so these prices are in pounds. So the Grow Gorgeous Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask is worth $3.75. The Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream is 35 pounds. That's pretty good. The Hair Burst Gummies are $12.49. Look at that looks different than this.
It's not the same thing.
It
still says
no. It's new packaging or older packaging.
Oh,
I would say this is probably the newer packaging. So the Rhodial Bee Venom Cleansing Balm is 13 pounds.
Really? Wow. Why? Because it's made of bee venom. Is it made of bee venom? That's pretty crazy if it is.
It doesn't say. And the Rituals shower oil is $4.90. So that's something that's very affordable for you, Jay, if you like it.
That's an oil, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Would you like the smell of it?
Elizabeth Arden Superstart Skin Renewal Booster is only $7.50. But for that, that's crazy.
For that little amount, it's pretty.
And this item is not listed in the flyer.
Maybe they dropped it in there by accident.
Maybe because my box was squished.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, that's not even in here.
It's a salt spray, so we don't know what it's worth. I'm gonna say 700 pounds.
Okay, so the items that are listed, what is the price?
76.64 pounds. I guess that's 76 pounds and 64 pence.
That's pretty good for 11 pounds.
That's
This
what you
box?
pay for it?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's incredible value.
Yeah, that's a really good value.
Plus you got an extra item. So.
And I got an extra item. So we'll have to Google how to use it, like for real, because there's literally no.
We just assumed you spray it in your hair, but we don't really know for sure.
Yeah, I assume a lot of things. Yeah.
Maybe it's like a skin cleanser, and she was like, "Oh, look, it's a great hair product."
I don't think you want to put salt in your skin, but you know.
People that live close to the sea have very nice skin, don't they?
No,
I just made
dry
that up.
skin.
Probably dry.
I mean, but maybe I don't live by the sea.
That's right, Megan. You don't know.
That's true. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was the March Lookfantastic box, and I was very impressed with this box. It had some new items I've never tried. It had some things I've never seen before, and it had a bonus item. So I can't complain about that. Even I can't find something to complain about. That's shocking.
That's a good joke.
That's a good joke. If you know me, that's a really good joke because I like to complain a lot. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can do that here. And you can watch other videos here and here. And I appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Thanks.